You kiss the camera, huh? You're not kissing the camera, don't you, you little kitty, huh? You're cute, aren't you? Look at this. Hey, Charlotte. You're happy, aren't you? You should be in there, not on there, you bloody cat. You're not going to be very warm for sleeping on top of it, you know that. You're supposed to be in it, not on it. Oh, you're so happy. Okay, a close examination of that neon there. You can see there, the electrodes are virtually touching there. Off my capacitor back will finish that off. Let's give it a try. Now viewers, let's pop this thing and charge the cat bank up. Hang on, I'll turn something off here. Something's been turned off. Hang on. Power's on there. Okay. Strange, I don't have any power here. Close look. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I forgot to reset my breaker on this power board from that previous video I did on this screwdriver. Oops. Now it's going to work. Forgot about that damn breaker. Now it'll work. Blew a connection. Unplug safety first and blew a connection in here somewhere. Something flashed in here. It wasn't a cap pop, it was a flash of like a bad connection. A wire wasn't soldered properly or something. I have to have a close look in there. Something's not soldered properly in there and it didn't like it. It's come off. Oh, a cap fell off. A bloody capacitor fell off. Hey! It was there. Okay. That cap discharged and bloody desoldered itself. That's a first. I'm going to have to fix that. Hey, okay. Anyway, let's I think I'm going to have to fire this screwdriver to earth. So let's try that. There's not enough of a short to actually discharge across this screwdriver here, so let's MOT it to earth, finish it off. Okay, viewers, let's finish this thing off. Got my setup, the usual setup. The heater and the ballast, and the kettle as well as a ballast. So I've got 4.8 kilowatts of ballast there. That should be more interesting now with this setup on this mod and power on. So look at this to the camera, it's just kind of bright. Here we ground it and the screwdriver's on fire. It's driving in all the moisture. It's not quite as interesting as Angel or photonic induction's pop. Need to get some HV capacitors for that. We'll throw that big white PFC off was okay. Smoke, cooking the smoke out of that ground there. well. And that's quite red hot. Bloody rain. Yeah, quite hot that bit over. It's screwed. Bloody old over here. Now to frame that, try and get this in frame of the cover again. Rotted to earth. Clean my tip. It's not as interesting anymore. Alright, power off. Unplug the safety first. I'll have to stand this screwdriver up. The end of it's gotten a bit hot there though. Let's make a better setup here. It's better. Now let's try it. Power's on. Yeah, Mike still seems happy. And Mike still seems happy at this colour setup. Nice arcs there. Slowly arcing and swing away in there. The wind kept blowing the arc. Hold the arc if I can. It's hard though. I can't get the arc still. Right, that burn. Power off. Off like safety first. The kettle's not even warm yet. And the mot's pretty happy actually. Fiber's a bit warmer than normal, but it's not doing any damage to it. try again. This time I've got some safety glasses on. Now I can see what I'm doing and not get blinded at the same time from the brightness of the arc. There we go. Starting to blow fire like a dragon. It's rolled into the ground there. The fuel gear lights are rolled to the screwdriver. There you go, it's melting away. There you go. Melted. There you go. It's safety retardant and high voltage protection retardant. And it's still conducting. Power off. Unplug the safety first. There you go, that's one screwdriver destroyed. Or should I say, screwed. Let's heat quick here. Let's see how soft it all is. That's still relatively intact. That's still welded to the ground. There you are, destroyed. I was never going to use it anyway, so a good thing I didn't. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.